Good morning, children. Today we will start with the new chapter, Our Beautiful Country. Yes, India is a beautiful country. Yes, and India is one of the most beautiful countries in the world, and it has many landforms. What are landforms? If I am saying that India has many landforms, what is the meaning of landform? Landform means the natural features like hills, mountains, plains, deserts. These all combinedly called as landforms. So some places have mountains while others have flatlands. So the places which are made of rocks, some places are covered with sand, some are covered with snow. These all are the different landforms which we classify into hills or mountains or plateaus or plains or deserts, etc., etc. So let us start with hills and mountains. What is a hill? You heard the name hill? Even when we were very young, so we had a small stories like there was a hill, Jack and Jill went up the hill. Remember the word? Hill. What is a hill? A hill is a high land with a round top. Got it? A hill is a high land with a round top. It is called a hill. So there are few hills that some examples of hills that we can say like the Vindhya ranges, or you might have heard the name Nilgiri hills. Nilgiri ranges are in the South India and the Vindhya ranges in the Central India. So these are the few example of hills. So if it is a hill, then what is a mountain? Right? What is a mountain? So a very high hill with sharp tops are called mountains. You got the meaning? A high hill with a sharp top is a mountain, and a high land with a round top is called a hill. You got the difference between the two? High land with a round top is a hill, while a high hill with sharp top is called a mountain. And which is the famous mountain you might have heard? Mount Everest? Very good. The Mount Everest is the highest peak in the Himalayan mountain ranges, as well as it is in the highest in the world. So the Himalayan mountain ranges lie in the north. So there are many peaks in the mountains in the Himalayan mountain ranges. Most of them are covered with snow, and because they are covered with snow, the temperature of that area is mostly cold. It is almost cold throughout the year. Got the point? And because of this snow, when this snow melts, it forms the rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, Satluj, etc., etc. These all rivers originate from mountains and flow down to the plains. कैसे बना रिवर कैसे बना? जब वो स्नो था, जो माउंटेन्स के ऊपर जो स्नो था, वो मेल्ट हुआ. ये मेल्ट होकर कैसे हो गया? रिवर्स में हो गया. ये मेल्ट होकर क्या बन गया? वाटर. एंड दिस वाटर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ रिवर्स comes down towards the plains. So what is a hill? Hill is a high land with a round top. And what is mountain? Mountain is a high hill with a sharp top. So quick recap. Any two examples of hills? We have Vindhya ranges in central India, Nilgiri range in the south India. And any one mountain? Mount Everest. Very good. So what is plain? Rivers move down towards the plain. What is a plain? You know what is a plain? The plain is a flat and level land. वो बिल्कुल भी ऊपर नीचे टेढ़ा मेढ़ा कुछ नहीं होता है, बिल्कुल फ्लैट होता है. And it is completely level. It is a level land. So it is called a plain. So which part of India is a kind of plains? In which part of India we can find plains? So to the south of the Himalayas are the great plains of India. And in these plains, summers are hot and winters are cold. And all the rivers like Yamuna, Ganga flow through these plains. अब क्या करते हैं? जो रिवर्स का जो पानी क्या बनाता है? वो जो सॉइल है प्लेन्स की, जो ज़मीन पर जो सॉइल है उसको फर्टाइल बनाता है. फर्टाइल बनेगा तब क्या होगा, उसके अंदर हम लोग इजीली क्रॉप्स ग्रो कर सकते हैं, और यही क्रॉप्स हमारे किस में काम आते हैं, हमारे फार्मर्स के काम आते हैं। फार्मर्स का काम यही होता है, हमको फूड यहीं से मिल रहा है। यस, सो हिल्स आर द हाई लैंड विद राउंड टॉप, माउंटेन्स आर द हाई हिल्स विथ sharp tops, and from the mountains originates the rivers, and these rivers comes towards our plains. And what are plains? Plains are the flat and level land. And which are the where does the great plains of India lies? They lies towards the south of the Himalayas. So we have eastern coastal plain as well as western coastal plain. You understand? We have two plains, eastern coastal plains and western coastal plains. So there is a very narrow strip of flat land along the eastern and western coasts of India. एक बहुत ही narrow strip of flat land होती है between the two coastal plains. So one part is called as the eastern coastal and the other is part called the western coastal plains. Now these both plains meet at Kanyakumari. Where is Kanyakumari? In the south, in the southern part of India. You all might have heard the name of Kanyakumari. घूम कर आए ना हम लोग, बहुत से जने घूम कर आए ना कन्याकुमारी। यस, अच्छी जगह है ना, गुड। तो ईस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन एंड वेस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन ये दोनों क्या हो जाते हैं, ये मिल जाते हैं कहाँ पर, कन्याकुमारी में। और वहाँ पर कौन कौन सी रिवर्स होती हैं, नर्मदा, तापी, महानदी एक्सेट्रा, ये इसी प्लेन्स, कोस्टल प्लेन से गुजरती हुई फाइनली कहाँ पर मिल जाती है, सी में। सो अंडरस्टैंड दैट प्लेन्स में क्या होता है, प्लेन्स में ग्रेट प्लेन्स ऑफ इंडिया कहाँ पर पाए जाते हैं, टुवर्ड द साउथ ऑफ हिमालयाज। एंड यहाँ का टेम्परेचर कैसा रहेगा, समर्स आर हॉट एंड विंटर्स आर cold. So rivers like Ganga and Yamuna flow through these plains. Because water is flowing through these plains, so it makes the soil of that area fertile to grow the crops. And there is a narrow strip, एक बिल्कुल narrow strip of flat land होता है, which is along the eastern and the western coasts of India. These parts are called an eastern coastal plain and western coastal plain. So how is the temperature of that area? So the coastal areas, the places near the coastal areas, they are neither very hot nor very cold. बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी भी नहीं होती, बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड भी नहीं होती. So what we will do today is, we will open the chapter, we will read the chapter, and we will put a query if there is any doubt or any query in your mind in the query option, and I will wait for your queries. And please read the chapter and let me know what do you understand from it. Right? Bye.